Hello guys, this is Pankaj Sethi. Welcome to our investments channel, Investing with Sethi.
Hello, welcome to our investments channel, Investing with PS. I usually add stocks in the watch list and accumulate over the time. I am a long-term investor and very occasionally make positional trades. This video is only for educational purpose, and this is by no means an investment advice. Please seek professional financial advisors' advice before doing any transaction. This stock has shown some pullback due to commodity price fluctuation, with some strong underneath results achieved by this company. This company is a market leader and has strong ability to pass on the additional cost to customer. Outlook for this stock is positive since the pent-up demand is starting to show up, along with good rural sector recovery. Please watch the video till end so you know what would be good point to buy this stock and you don't end up buying in wrong price. And the stock name is Asian Paints Limited. Asian Paints Limited is a paint company. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing, selling, and distribution of paints, coatings, products related to home decor, bath fittings, and providing of related services. Let's look at how the stock has performed over the time. Last month's stock price has come down by approximately 5%, hence it may be available at some pullback price. 3 months there is 6+%, and over the year to date it has grown by 14%, and 5 years the growth has been of 238%. Lifetime from 2000's price 5 rupees has reached almost 3,500 and is down now. That is more than 180 plus times multiple over its lifetime. Stock is on very high price to equity, but that's because it is a consistent multiplier of money for many years in the past. With more than 65% market share, this stock is in very strong business. Stock returns have been overall very good. Dividend returns are very low. Company doesn't give much dividend. Dividend yield is 1.5%, but that's better than nothing. Stock is not in overbought zone now, so there won't be immediate selling pressure on the stock in short term. There are no ASM or other flags on this stock right now. Company has good long history and its stability is good. Performance quality of the stock overall is good. Revenue and income growth has been overall historically good. As you can see, revenue growth for last 5 years average is around 6%, which is more or less it has grown with the industry average. Net income growth has been on the positive 12.45%, whereas the industry has been in growing around 8.2% past 5 years on average. Market share during the 5 years has reduced slightly from 64% to 62%. So it continues to be monopoly player in the market. Company's debt to equity ratio is low of 9% compared to industry average of 10%. Also, current ratio of the company is more or less same as industry at 171% compared to industry average of 183%. So overall it's matching the industry average on most growth factors and is way ahead in net income despite being the industry leader in paint segment. That's a very good sign of a very well-run business. Promoters' holdings have remained stable over the time. It is at almost 52%. It's green. Mutual fund holdings are slightly increasing at around 2.86%. It's green. Other domestic institutes other than mutual funds are decreasing and is at around 3.97. So that's red. Big plus here is holdings of FII are slightly increasing and is currently at almost 21% now. FIIs are very bullish on this stock. Let's look at the market expectations with respect to growth for March 2022. It's positive coming out of the COVID situation. Revenue growth median expectation is at almost 20% and is much bigger than last 3 years CAGR growth on revenue of 8%. Expectation for revenue is 30,000 crore from current 22,000 crore. Also, earnings growth median expectation is at 3% and is lower than last 3 years' CAGR growth on revenue of 15%. This is due to commodity and oil price pressure. At the same time, Asian Paints has higher ability to pass on the cost to customer and at the same time leverage this time to increase the market share. Overall, it's a fantastic opportunity for medium to long-term investment. Analysts are projecting the price range of 1,679 to 4,018. Lower range is due to expected price pressure and world economy risks. Asian Paints has announced that it's going to increase the prices of its products by 4 to 6% by December 1st week. Historically, it has shown that Asian Paints grows even better compared to competition in higher inflation markets. Market leaders tend to have leverage to pass on the cost to consumers. Typically, the prices increase by Asian Paints has been lower than the inflation. This allows them to beat competition at the price and inflation game. So overall, there is positive outlook for the stock for medium to long term. For past 2 years, Asian Paints has grown the dealer count by almost 50%. It has been the leader in the industry and monopoly controlling more than 65% market. It has tremendous ability to pass on cost to the customer. Stock is in pullback recently, so it could be a good opportunity to buy some stocks. There is risk of commodity price pressure, but looks like Asian Paints is already planning to increase prices. It also shows responsive management with standard practices in place. Let's look at the stock chart. Overall, we are looking for a small pullback in this stock to around 3,050 to 3,100 range before we decide to buy. At the current price, also the price is not bad for long-term outlook. It was a much better buy at 2,870 in last month. Hope you enjoyed the analysis. We love to hear from you. If you have any additional points to consider for this stock, please do share. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such analysis for long-term investment opportunities.